What's up guys, welcome back to Kiera TV and welcome to another movie. I'm not sure whether I want to name yet, but I know say you're going to enjoy. So make sure you like up the movie, subscribe if you're new, turn on the post notification bell so that as one movie drop, you get notified. Thanks for your support, I really appreciate it. And once again, thanks for 10K. I really appreciate the love and support. If it weren't for you guys, more today, so I really appreciate it. Thanks for everybody once again. Brock Life Entertainment, the link I got there in the description box below or I got it on the screen. Remember, Chris and Chevy channel, you go over there, subscribe and get them to 1K. They soon start post. I know say most people not like subscribe to each channel if no content not depend, but they soon drop a content. I promise you that. So just go and subscribe, turn on the bell so then drop a content, you get it. Also, don't forget Tugger and Kiera TV. Go over there and subscribe also and turn on the post notification bell. Big up on yourself. Go and watch the movie Enjoy and keep everybody out there. Stay safe. Big up on yourself.
Oh, see, you feel me. Cold water, I'm take out. How much of that you take?
2.
I'm take out what 2. I'm go there so you don't take me your card.
Alright.
Yo, where you go, man?
Don't find the road that's a man.
Go do what? Where you go down on the road go do now?
If me know me go down on the road, may I stop?
What you mean by me you stop? Me and bigger brother you enough you have respect for me. You don't have to book them for go take up and thing for go to school. I want to you. You me talk to you. Where you walk I go?
Then I want to pay man. Me I go down here so. You know if you know where I go. Soon forward.
Mommy? Go mommy. Thing alright?
I'm there try to relax because I'm in a rest more and power. I lay down a little bit, see if I can feel better.
Yeah man, just just take your time. If you get better. You see me, all I have to do is just continue prayer and thing. I just hope the boy to God treat you good and take care of you, you know. I want him see the boy and him left up on the road and you know say they're so sick, you know. You know what kind of style that he might take up, you know, at such a young age.
Yeah man, I'm alright man. Him get pill and medicine come give me yesterday. So I'm not too bad.
Alright, I just hope I get well soon now. Anyway, still, you eat already from morning?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll go up on the road and go stay. So later, here.
Take care.
Hope I get better. Alright.
Take care.
What's up? Brother?
Sister?
What?
I'm there.
Me have left for which part of the day. Upstairs room. Because she's sick and she don't feel good, so I go just come and stay, take care of her little brother or something. By the way, what you do here? You don't live here?
What do you mean by me not live here? Yes, I'm born and grown, and because I move out and buy my own place means say, I still can't come here, so I still can't come here, so I still have my room inside, can't go sleep. I'm tell you, little girl, easy man, chop.
Not because you're 3 years old and me means you're big on me. We are call little girl. Anyways, they will stay here as a friend now on until mommy feel better. Take care of our little brother or something. Make sure say you are your stuff where you know say you do illegal stuff. You not bring come no around here so cause mommy sick already and we can't take a next problem. Please, goodbye. I'm going inside.
We don't know your strips go already, you know. Man, if you dial, you know, so you can say what you want to say, you know. Just go on in, man.
You go home?
No, I go in.
You stay here?
Yeah, you me tell us I stay a few times being.
You me? Finally reach. How you feel?
Feel much better, you know, because 2 people tell me something to buy malt and drink for the feelings of me have. From the drinking, I really feel better for true.
Alright, mommy, that good. So, how much I did buy?
I want me could afford to buy, you know.
Alright, mommy, I go buy 6 more for you. Pull up my bag in my room and see what tug around there going with you. Hope you get well soon. Stay strong.
Yo, sis, you can give me your wife if you.
Who I forget it from? You don't see mommy sick. I mean, if you take care of me and me alone, your brother not even help you up there. I do illegal business and I make one with the money. Girl, I'm up there, go ask him. I don't have it.
You know, you have money there now and give me, but everything good.
Go long.
Open my brother, me go.
Opa, which brother? You don't have school. Which brother you talk about?
Then text in a group saying I'm not school today because they say Star ma come and so no school and keep. So I go check my brother and come back.
Star ma come. And I pay your brother your plan for go. And Star ma come. Go on. Star must catch you up there. Because Star ma come and you don't have school. But you have go for your brother. Wow.
Sis want money to do a project. Come get a big project at school. I'm going to get the grade. Because the grade I will go up on my report. I'm really want it. So a $1,500.
Talk I done tell already now. Mommy sick, so I don't know when me forget it from figure you. You need to go up ask your brother or something because I don't have it. Mommy me have to take care of.
You can't spare me $1,500. Everything good, man. Go on.
You think good?
Yeah, man, me there, man. Ready, man.
Yeah, man, you may come link, you know, because I say you have to come give you a talk to, you know. You understand what I say?
Whoa.
I'm there, I say, yo, I want to come deal with this kind of thing. You understand? So here we go on. Just go home, think about it. When you make up your mind, you just take up your bag and think, and just come give me a link up a yard. You know which part I live. Don't worry yourself, I have a room for you too. You see me? So everything taken care of. When you reach me, I can show you your rooms. You understand? So just think about it, man.
You know, say me da give it a thing too. Because every day me ask sis for your money and she say she not have no money. She had spending for her mommy and one day me have one project to do. And she didn't have no money and we couldn't get to do it. So me never get no grade for that either. So me think about it. So I give it a think. Because want some money and now and nothing really go on for sis right now. And my sister, you are making money right now. So I give it a thing. So when me can go link you?
Brother, anytime. You have my number, just give me a call. You understand? And just come give me a link. Anytime.
Me making how you go now?
I see me can go dash some nanny on them girl there, you see me? Cool, do you think?
I go first.
Ready, Russia?
What go on now?
Finally make up my mind. I'm done with school you know. I do some scamming because I really want some money you know.
Yes, man. Finally, brother. Finally, look how long me it is of coming out the business, man. I'm to you, man. Now you're going to see how real man make money, you. I show you how you make money. Now, worry yourself, man. You just pull out one of them jars, they take one of your jars and just make yourself at home, man. I'm going to show you the ropes. Don't worry yourself. Now, watch your face. I'll show you how I go on.
That's all. The jar is
Yeah, man. Just take in the jar, man. Yes, man.
So I'm ready, you know.
Alright.
It's no time.
I'll show you full 100 now. Come in, man. Take a seat. Alright, so you this iPhone now, you use call any client. See?
Yeah.
This I sheet.
With the number them and see.
Yes, man. Number, address, everything depend this. So when you call a person, you know everything
So
about them
what you
already.
say?
You mean you don't know if you speak standard English? When you speak standard English, man, alright, you are gonna just call. So you know when them answer, you introduce yourself.
Oh, like my real name.
You mad? You can't use a real name. Police will catch you. You're gonna make up a fake name. You understand what I say? Call him, introduce yourself, you tell him your company name.
You can't give them fake name then.
No, brother, use your own name. What you do?
Say me can't
You
use
can't
my
water
name.
down my thing. You better try water down my thing. Make up on you. You can't
Make up
on
your
name.
mind. You tell me say me can't use my name. I'm more use your name.
You can't use my name or use here what? Your name Jim Brown. Jim Brown. That's your name. You understand what I say? So you call him, introduce yourself, then you tell them which company you work for. You tell them say they win XYZ amount of money. You understand what I say? You just tell them say oh they want to need XYZ, make a payment, collect the money. You understand? You just tell them say a union. Then give you a name for them send it through union. And that person will collect it and then you give them a cut out of it, you take care of funds. Example, you tell them say 100 grand, the person go collect it, you give that person like 20 grand.
But me no want to give them money or that money. I feel me money.
Yeah, but on a certain work because you can collect it, because if you collect it, you will get catch. And some me not get catch. You understand? You can't collect it, make somebody else collect it and you give them a cut, so then keep them mouth shut. See, my link tall, you know, I have somebody who work at union, you know, so I collect my money one time, you know, I just give them a piece out of it, you know. See, but don't worry yourself, that's what I say, me I bring you, I show you, me now make you get catch. You understand? So that's how the thing work. Until you're ready, can give your first client, can deal with it.
So me can start now.
Yes, man, you can start right now, man. Sorry, you watch out. First client is.
Claudette Williams.
Alright, I just want you call her and just deal with it. You understand? Me the writer, so for help you with if anything.
Alright.
Remember what your name?
Eh,
Jim Brown.
yeah, hello.
Jim Brown, Jim Brown, Jim Brown.
Oh, Jim Brown name.
Call him from the Lato Sweet States.
Oh, me call him from the Lato Sweet States.
Yes, I'm just here to tell you that you have won 100. Give me phone. Yes, hello. Yes, this is Jim Brown calling from the Lato Sweet States. I'm just calling to tell you that you have won yourself $100,000. Ha, yes. Yes. Yes, of course. Yes, you would have to pay a down payment of $50,000 to collect your reward. Yes. The transaction will be done through Western Union. My manager will contact you and give you the necessary information so you can make the transfer. Okay? Alright, have yourself a wonderful rest of your day. Okay, same to you. Bye. That's how you do it, brother. You understand what I say? But don't worry yourself still. I chop a piece out of the food.
Wow. So when I get the money?
Don't worry yourself. I'm going to deal with the link. So probably by tomorrow or the next day, I give you a thing. So it's like what 50.
Don't want
Person,
the 50.
no, you can't do all 50. The person, Kaleki, I will get 10. And me, I go take 10 out of it. So 20 grand gone. So you get 30,000 like that. You get no boy 30,000 US enough. What you mean? Who call?
I'm me.
You're not talk. You're not talk.
I'm me tell her my name and everything, you know.
That a your problem in the business if you want to tell her your name, brother. You could have hardly start. You stamp
And
up on
you
the
grab the
phone.
phone from me.
You stamp up on the phone, you'll lose one client. Me have to help you out 10 grand for me. Because me help you. When you start with this thing by yourself, you get your own money. 10 grand for me, 10 grand for the next person you go collect, and you get 30,000 US dollar. Brother, enough money that. You see me? So right now, me I go up on the road for you something. Brother, just go and practice. Just go and practice. Just chopper, brother. Just go and practice and do what you have to do. Don't call nobody without my permission or without me supervising you. Alright, you lose client. You want to lose client. Alright.
Oi, come here. What you want to take your bossy?
You see, no man money in a pocket, you have to walk out, you know. You don't know the things there already, you know. I'm telling you, man, brawling, man.
I hope you're not up there teach your little brother not about your illegal thing. I not even want to call the word. Make sure so you make him go to school and you help with his schoolwork. What you up there do?
Yeah, so man I go to school. Man, if you up there go to school, right now I left him around there study. You understand what I say? Because you have the exam coming up, you know. I can't take the man from in school and I'm going to bring him one like this. So I'm telling you, sis, don't stay them way there, man. Don't stay them way there at all. You have to get this. See, and come out to do some 9 to 5. You understand what I say? Right thing that to do, man.
Make sure. Anyways, I bring mommy to the doctor this morning and the doctor says she have one problem but we need to fix. $110,000 for the surgery. You give me 50, I put 60. What you can do?
Yeah, man, a simple thing that, man. You see me, just link me when you want it and me go for it and make you get it, man. Don't worry yourself. And mommy that, you know, she come first, you know. Yeah.
Alright, just send it to my account. When I'm going to send the account number. NC, here.
Alright, see you, bro.
Alright.
Toasty gonna take a man a chop. You put the sauce, then the chopper there a top.
Yes, you're speaking with Mr. James Webster from the PCH, which is the Publishers Clearance House, okay? No, sir. You have won yourself $1.5 million here today. And to claim your package, you should send me 3,000 US in cash today. Yes. And which do you prefer? Western Union, Cash App, PayPal? Which one do you prefer to send us the money today? Okay, I would say, yes, I'm going to send you my Cash App information and you just transfer the payment over and so that we can come over to your place of residence here today. Yes. Alright, sir. Alright. Yes. Are you me come check for get a little thing?
Toga, where you get money from? I give me a little thing. This is not even a little thing. Where you get $10,000 give me? Mine, you know?
Or sis man, I want a little weekend job me get, man. I want a supermarket. So I just say me I get a little thing. Come see how we are big money.
Supermarket work. And 10 grand, you can give me how much money I get out of that too? Make sure say you go to school, you know? How you manage supermarket work plus school? I'm to school. Eh?
See upon weekend I go work 6 weekend I go work. I go to school same way. But a weekend, on weekend the boss me can come in and pack some shelf and then go send it. I get a good amount of money, that's why I can give 10 grand out of it. Because more time I did it, I carry out bag too and I get a tip on some people.
Alright, sir. I'm glad Pete still come just come fast with her with money. You know, call for your mother.
I soon get one check.
Alright. Yeah.
Yo, nice.
I'm not going with now.
I just get the money, 40 grand.
40k? You know, I say, brother, where do you chop a line?
Tear down your line, man, chappy. 40 grand that.
40 grand, brother, still baby money that. But hear me, I say still.
What do you mean that baby money? You have 40 grand can give me. Much time there I ask you for money, you know, give me no money. But baby money. Give me 10 grand now.
Brother, me have money can't done. When me a chop a line, brother, 500,000 and 250,000 and up, brother, me a chop. I understand me I say, you just a start a baby money thing. But hear me I say, see, you fall in a business now. I love how you go on. You're there my place. You need to start help out with the bills. You understand? Me can't pay light bill, water bill, internet bill, and I buy food for you same way. A big money, I make your money, make me done talk. But I open up your mouth. You understand what I say? You need to start pay bills, responsibilities. You get big. You understand? Now say everything to split even. Pay a portion of the light bill, portion of the water bill, a portion of the internet bill. And you can buy your little snacks, the man thing if you want, and just buy some food, put in a place. You understand what I say? Yeah.
Yeah, you much money you just say, yeah, bingo. 500, 200, and you want me to contribute to light bill, water, internet. Me not have the money.
If you get $40,000, brother, you know how much money that man you can put 10 grand towards every single thing and buy yourself what you want to eat. You understand that? Not even a shake you. You can't take up a phone right now and make one phone call and pay all our bills. Them. What you worry about, brother? Just enjoy yourself and go and live life.
See him like how me can take up phone and pay all our bills, them. You can do it to a fair place. You tell me about me if you contribute, I'm a younger one.
My place now, so before I put you out now, which part you go? Eh? Before I put you out now, which part you go? Because you say my place now, so basically I can put you out, you know. So I put you out now, which part you go? Eh?
I don't have an argument today. I'm say you look for an argument.
Yo, sis, you need to come here, you know. You need to have a talk, you know. You need to have a discussion. Yeah, man, just link me at my place. Yeah, good. Come.
Wow, me like what you done to the face. So me can't be doing lock up one time so hot.
See, man, you're chop line, you have to stay lock up. I want to man, you can't nobody a barge in my place, so.
So you enjoy this life? You're there in your big nice house and you have your lock up? How is that comfortable? Me want to know.
When you have only millions over me, I only have a find out. Don't worry yourself about that, man. Don't worry yourself. So, anyway, still a different thing we call over and find out. Need to have a discussion about my brother, you know. I understand? Because I live at my place right now. I go to school and thing, you know. But, you have one little side job where I make a nice little food, you know. And I explain to him and I tell him, say, yo, he need to help with the bills then. See, the man go show me attitude and thing and say oh, he not think saying for paying the bills because of my place and blah 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 yada yada yada. So right now I both to put him out, you know. I like the attitude there, and if he can't contribute towards bills and refreshments, see, no make no sense in stay here. No make no sense at all in stay here, you know, because you must can buy your own food and them because someday if you work and I make income money, you know. You understand? So right now, that is just a big turn off for me, you know. You understand?
Why? I can't believe. I never even know say him at work. Anyways, I go talk to him, but just wait a little. See, if you go game, go talk to him and tell him if you give, because guess what? You can't put him out in because I can't manage him there, so I can't manage him. Plus, mommy and friend come here. I realize that everything better yard because mommy allow me to pay attention to. I can't pay attention to him plus mommy, so just please give him one more chance. But you talk to him and make him start give you money.
Alright, that don't sound too bad, Zane. I give you 2 days to deal with it, you know. If you can't deal with it in 2 days, you know, say your whole thing gone. You understand? Alright.
Alright, me go deal with it. Just don't put him out, please. Never talk to him.
You need to do it.
Alright. Boy, are you me a come to, you know?
Me I come to?
Yes, you me a come to.
For
What you mean for what? Your big brother tell me say you're there and you go to school and you do work one weekend and you get a good money and you not help him pay bills, you not help him buy food, no, you just have your money to yourself and him you stay with you. You know say you can't afford to make him send you back down there so because I can't manage you and mommy. Plus for you there you go and kind of goodish. You can't be yourself and just help him. Why your problem?
listen me. First thing, my money and my money. Him not supposed to come to me want me to pay light bill, water, internet bill. When me if get money from, why money when me I make I feel sustain me. I feel when me go road, me see one look at buy it.
Boy, what you talk say? And him you stay with plus he say 2 days he give me for chat to him. I don't know how I get that there something about him and give his sister date. But you need to help him pay the bills. You can't afford to get kicked out. I just want like 5,000 you give him. How much money you get? Stop the foolishness. You're young, you know, you don't understand you talk about go road, go buy. Go road, go buy one, and then your brother kick you out. Stop going like say you're a fool and pay money. And don't make me feel like if I come out the house, I come to talk to you because I can't leave mommy one day there. You know say mommy sick.
Listen me. Me no need you for I walk up there you come.
Of course, I up there, me did come and why you question me, me no size.
Man, me no in a argument and go round and come back round. I don't say me no give him none of my money. So me no know him come and complain to you now. And you come up there. When you come up there, I cause you ready to come cuss me out and tell me rare. Him tell me say me I go to school, right? Me I go to school, me I do my little thing on the side for a weekend. And my little thing that me not have to give no money, me not give no money, me don't tell him that already, you know. So me no know he complain to you, you know.
Toga.
Me don't say what me say.
Listen to what me I say. You're young, you know, you don't understand nothing we're going in our life right now, you know. You cannot come back down to the house because me have mommy to deal with and you are one wally per word. If you don't act like you have sense, give your brother money, help him pay for whatever I say you want to help him pay for. And he's hell about down there, you're going to send him to go look for your work. These people will treat you by the country and you're going to stay with him and you're going to dead up the king. No say that the man did not treat you good. When he get drunk and start one like in no sense. So you're going to make up your mind. It's either you're going to choose between this or up on your father. But you cannot come back down here so because I don't want you to come there with your troublemaker self. Because stress out mommy and make she get sick or worse. Plus mommy just do surgery. So you need to make up your mind, be done time. I'm going back down.
You're going in. You think me have to stay on a place and that can give me on a place. Go on. you, they ask about your light bill and water bill and something. Because I don't really want to kick me out still because you show me a rope to make some money. So I'm not going to do this.
Alright.
Let's see what I can do.
Yeah, man, this supposed to can cover a little bit of something, man. You see me? Finally, you come to your senses, them, man. I'm about to put you out, you know. And that me I tell you, you know, because you can't there and not pay no bills. I'm going to show you the ropes to do certain things, but then you know, move right. You understand what I say? But yeah, I like that move to still, you see me?
Yeah,
Yeah, man. Go on, man. Yeah, hello. Yeah, this is him. You know, see him attend school? Not so right, because you know, see how we give him lunch money if he go to school every day, you know. You sure you're not involved in some bad company at school? No, so alright, I've got to talk to him and try to resolve the issue. Yeah, man, I'm going to try to talk to him today. Alright, thanks for calling. Alright, bye. Have a seat. Have a seat, man.
Oh, no.
Just have a seat, man. No need to talk. Yeah, right now, the principal just called me. You understand? And you're not attend school. And this can't reach your mother, and this can't reach your sister. So we need to do something about it. You understand what I say? Shit. We need to do something about it. You understand? We need to send you to school. So you need to go to school while you're still at home. You know, we'll look at something. So I don't know how you have to find time for balancing, but you have to find time for balancing for maths up. Because if a sister find out a problem, and then I'm going to tell your mother, and then, you know, I just pay you downhill from this, and we don't want that. That's going to cost some money. See, and we don't want that. So Monday morning, you need to go to school. Alright.
Brother, I'm going to go to school, brother. When I go to school, I do waste time. Mine not there in school right now. Mine if make millions. School can't make millions right now. So where the parents that really ask me to sit down for?
Brother, I just 1 more year left back at school. 1 semester. You understand what I say? Just go deal with it and come back. You understand? As I say, if your sister find out a problem, because your sister don't put me neck already, so you have to involve you in this. You need to go to school. If you don't go to school, and your sister find out, she will come for you. Either way, you have to stop. You understand? So you just need to go to school, just do what you do, couple more months, brother, and you just come back up here, so come blocks. You just do what you do. You see me? So just run off a few little months of school, brother, and everything will be good, man.
I do right. But my sister could stop. My sister can't tap me from the door because she not feed me. You know that. Yes, hello? No, this is Mr. John. Yes. No, sir, you have won yourself 5.5 million here today. No, this is not a scam. Yes, and for you to receive that here today, you should send me 500,000 US. Yes, today. Yes. Alright. Alright, mom, thank you. Alright. Good.
How going bad, bro?
Eh?
How going?
You know I do something a while ago. Me chop one big food a while ago. Right now I want to go collect.
You chop one big food, brother, but you can't collect that by yourself, my youth. You see me? You have to make somebody else collect that for you, brother. If you go, you're going to ask too much question and you're getting a problem now. We'll call police, brother. I tell you about this over and over and over again, brother. Bad things are going to happen to your youth. Make somebody collect the money for you. Have the client for you. Just call the person, just tell them so the money reach. Just make them deal with it. You understand what I say? Don't collect the money by yourself. You're getting a problem. Alright.
This money is too big for me make somebody collect this. Me collect it for myself. Me go down there, me sign up everything and collect it.
Brother, I say you can't do that, my youth. Just give a person 20 or 10% of the money, no, brother. If you chop 500,000, brother, just give a man 100 grand, no, man, or 200 grand, man. It's easy, no, brother. You can't collect the thing by yourself, my youth. You have to put yourself in a problem, brother. See, just give somebody a small percentage, but then collect it, and you're good to go, my youth. Stop. Think. You understand what I say, brother? You're a smart youth.
Me a good on me a don't me a good.
Yes, my youth. I go see what happened to you still.
Me a good on
still,
me.
yeah, man. I go see what happened to you.
A big money this year?
Me say, yeah, go see what happened to you. Just go on. All these spitting the shit big. Tell you.
Police, don't move. Drop back.
Hello. Yeah, this is him. Which station? Alright, we'll be there as soon as possible. Alright, thanks. Jesus Christ. Sis, I have bad news. Bad news. Why? Brother get locked up, you know. You see me? Never gone to school and he go mix with the bad company. Alright, now police then come for him and lock him up. Right now in the down station.
We are talking about, I'm confused. Please talk clear, because I don't understand Spanish. What do you mean you never did go to school and then get mixed up with bad company? What you talking about?
Why? Not telling lies still, no. See? He can link me and you know, he say, oh, you want to make some money, so I show him the ropes how to deal with the thing. You see me? And I'm doing thing and I make money and I make money, I don't know. You see me? So guess he just going too deep and he not listen to what me I say. And he go mix with the wrong people him. So like I just that go on.
So you mean if you tell me say you never did go to school and I up in the upper yard that do scamming business with you? And you never did a work for you? So I'm not telling lie now.
Why? You know say though, it's a big food the boy get now. Boy get a big food. But the mistake the boy make, first thing me tell him, see a mistake the man make. And God Union go collect the money in a theme name just because he don't want nobody get the money. Yo, the man love money. Yo, boy, I tell you, never see a man love money, so. How think the man have to do is just give somebody a piece if he just collect the money, you know, and him good, you know. But him no want to do that. You understand? He run go and collect money himself. And so he get catch and so he get in a problem. You understand? So, well, I don't know what to tell you, say, you know. You see me? More than just a come inform you still, so you get to know, but you need to go link him down there.
Me? for go link him and go bail him. Where me get money from? Right now, I mean, you are going to go bail him and your money you are going to use because you don't know some amount of money already. I have to spend up $1 million money for help me with our sickness and me and you are going to go on there right now. So I don't know where me get money from. So you better come on.
My money? Bail who? You're mad in the head, man. I tell you, I can't use my money bail him. I can't tell you that. We are fucked. Him have money around there and we are going to take out right now and use to bail himself. And him put himself in a problem, him are going to bail himself out of this problem. Me nah use my money on that boy. I can tell you that. Him have to go use for him own money get himself out. Alright.
Sugar, you're really gone. Up at your big brother house, gone to scam with him and get in a trouble. We have to bail you out of jail. Yeah, prison bud. Why you really did that thing, boy?
Sis, I never did that thing right. Because my brother just influenced me to do the wrong thing. I never did that thing. Like somebody want the money and you not work. So I forget money from. That's why I'm going to pick up. I'm sorry, I'm delighted to you. So I do weekend job or something.
You know, see, because mommy sick, I have to take care of mommy and me not work. You know, see, I left me good work at all and I have to come here to come take care of mommy because you nor my big brother don't responsible. And I can't believe you really lied to me. Because when you come to me one day, I ask where you get the money from, you tell me, say, you do weekend work at some supermarket. And I really lied, did I tell? What wrong with you? What wrong with your head? Look here, you need to get back your head in the school thing because you're going back to school Monday morning. You need to go to your brother, get your things and tell him, say, you're done with it. Tell him thanks to be able to because if I'm me alone, you're staying at that place because I have no money because I have to spend it for mommy. So do the right thing.
Yeah, man, sis, I go back to school. Just go get me head straight and come out to something good. Because my sister now be hard and everything. So I'm sick. I'm sick all now and big brother money around there. And he not help me. So I go down there and tell him say I'm done.
Go on and get your things and come back here, so. Go on.
Tell you, bro, I'm sorry, I never listen to you. I wouldn't get locked up. And I tell you the truth, don't be no nice. I tell you, to right now, I go done with the game and just go back to school. Because right now, my sister, the game is not an easy road. I'm not going to go down that road there. Because it's not easy.
Why? I tell you, I tell you, say, yo, brother, the game is not a normal thing. You understand what I say? I tell you from day one, brother, but you make money get to your head, my youth. You see money, brother, and you just get giddy. Like some little girl, my youth. I mean, I like that, brother. You understand? Money change you. I tell you that. I tell you, see, yo, jail is not a nice thing, too. You see me? You understand? You probably go down there and the man will beat you. You probably get touched down there, too.
What kind of touch thing you talk about? I'm not find them things that loose argument that bro.
Go careful around here, because the boy probably touch a dog there. Go careful, you know, you see me? But, you know, yeah man, alright. You can't manage it. Go back to school, but do what you do, brother. You see me? And come up with something good. Because I don't tell you, so it's not a normal thing. You understand? Me don't make money get to me. Because see, I do this for much years now. Now I know me can't get catch. You just start, you run, go get catch. And I try to show you the rules, boy. You don't listen to me. You understand? Me know if you do it and me not get catch and me not go stop. You understand? I go reach a point where me go, you know, open few business and invest and think and me can't do this rest of my life same way. You understand? You see me? So you just have to just do it smart. But you know, me help you financial wise, for you go back to school and all of them something there, and for you get to come out to something good. You see me? I still make a brother, still have to look out for you same way. So now watch your face.
Alright, me just there make you know still.
Yeah, that's how it, man.
You know look about nothing there.
Only put food in the house, man. You can go and go so you can find feed, man. That's man. But nobody name off from food now, because I know your belly stay, you know. I'm going to touch your road still. So just know you have to see?
Yeah.
Alright.
Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy. And me soon start one new movie, but I can't get it for watch, so me just take time and entertain you, delivering content as promised. And once again, thank you for 10k subscribers. I really appreciate it. Me can't stop saying thanks. Remember, Broke Life Entertainment. Subscribe. The link will go down in the description box below. Toga and Kiera TV. Subscribe also. Link will go there down in the description box also. Thank you guys. Thanks for the support. Once we can't stop saying thanks. Me appreciate you so much. You're supposed to know this already, but me keep on have to say it. Big up on yourself. Look out for your next movie.